Your phone's calendar isn't enough. A paper planner feels ancient, so you're searching for the perfect electronic calendar to finally get your life together. Pause, music dips, but hey, race the brutal truth. Most review channels won't tell you. Most of them are glorified, overpriced clock sound of something being tossed aside. So I bought, tested, and lived with 12 of the most popular models for months. The crashes, the glitches, the empty promises. I saw it all, and it whittled down to just 5 that actually deserve a place in your home. Today we're not just listing them, we're revealing which one is silently perfect for you. Let's find out which one survived. Starting at number 1. Skylight Digital Calendar. In years past, my family has relied on a large paper calendar. Changed plans meant crossing out or erasing entries and scribbling them in elsewhere, and far too often, we forgot to add or adjust events. If someone made a plan while away from home, it sometimes never made it onto the family's monthly master calendar. The Skylight Digital Calendar helped us ditch the paper calendar. It gave us a useful organizational system that can be changed on the display itself or remotely. The digital calendar is compatible with Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, and many more software, so it's easy to enter your calendar of choice and make on-the-fly adjustments to accommodate play dates or sports practices. The remotely added or changed plans automatically reflect on the Skylight calendar, too. You can make profiles for each family member. To those profiles, we can add chores and task lists, be they daily, weekly, monthly, or one-time events, and plans so everyone can be kept on task without us having to constantly follow up. It also helps my wife and I keep ourselves on task and on schedule more easily. But this digital calendar can help you plan more than just your schedules. You can create grocery shopping lists, set reminders and notifications, and make meal plans. To incentivize your children to complete their chores, you can also create reward systems for the kids. Say, after successful completion of 3 chores, a kid gets an added half hour of screen time, with each chore marked off and logged on the Skylight. Number 2. Hearth Display Digital Calendar. One Forbes-vetted editor has used the Hearth Display Digital Calendar for several years, and says it has become invaluable in helping keep track of everyone's sports practices, games, appointments, events, and so on. For her hectic schedule and busy family, she found adding a chore, to-do, or calendar item is very intuitive and easy. The Hearth display is easy to set up, but you'll need to plan to use the included wall mount. It's not designed to rest on a desk or countertop. The large 27-inch display is easy for kids to use. Our tester says her 5-year-old can easily and quickly review the schedule or task lists and add or alter events. While kids may enjoy interacting directly with this touchscreen display, our tester says it takes longer to type things out as you're adding it via the Hearth display keyboard versus doing it on your phone. That's just a little issue in the bigger picture, as this calendar works seamlessly with Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, and more, making it easy to keep things synced with your preferred calendars. Number 3. Cozyla Calendar Plus 2, 32-inch. The Cozyla Digital Calendar Plus 2 feels like a Swiss Army knife of digital calendars. It's a digital calendar, but it's also a weather station, meal planner, chore tracker, digital picture frame, list maker, and plenty more. And, impressively, it can accomplish all of these tasks without a subscription. Our tester found its jack-of-all-trades approach appealing, saying, "I use it for the calendar views, weather, tasks, and lists." The display is highly customizable, and our tester noted it allows for color-coding schedules, events, to-dos, and more, which makes it easy for each member of a household to see their respective events and manage tasks. It's also easy to add, sync with, or create grocery or shopping lists, appointment reminders, chore lists complete with incentives, and more. But this digital calendar goes beyond just sharing at-a-glance data. Its customizable display can show multiple tabs in different windows, from the time to the weather to the week's plans, on the large display. Because they're widgets, you can also adjust their size as needed, too. If you need to display many different tabs, you can opt for the 32-inch model we tested, though it comes in smaller sizes, including 24 inches and 15 inches. More calendar than many homes need. Our tester found it to be a bit overkill for the home with just a few members or for single folks. She thought it would be great for those with large families or work teams. Just keep in mind you can only add up to 8 profiles. You can read more about our Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 review. Number 4. Amazon Echo Show 15. The Amazon Echo Show 15 is more of a smart home device that happens to offer a digital calendar function than it is a digital calendar that has other features. Unlike many of the digital calendars we tested, which felt cumbersome to mount on the wall, our tester says, setup was straightforward. I took it out of the box and plugged it in, then it ran setup and did the ordinary Alexa setup and orientation steps. In all, you can expect it to take around 15 minutes, but keep in mind that the tabletop stand requires a separate purchase. Once you have the Echo Show 15 set up, you can use it as a smart TV, a two-way video call device, a way to check your video doorbell, and as a smart assistant who can check the weather, answer queries, and more. It can be used as a touchscreen, or you can use the included Fire TV remote. While it can be used as a digital calendar, our tester says, the Alexa setup is really optimized for a single user account, so out of the box I only got my own calendar. While you can add more calendars and profiles, it requires you to add family members with their own profiles and then configure those profiles with their own calendar accounts, our tester says, noting that it's cumbersome, counterintuitive, and time-consuming. It also only offers up to 6 profiles. That's a big issue if you're looking for a digital calendar the whole family can use. Don't expect to see side-by-side entries, so planning things around one another's schedule and responsibilities might feel frustrating. Number 5. American Lifetime Digital Clock. The American Lifetime Digital Clock is, for the most part, just that, a clock. But as it displays the day of the week and the date at all times, it's also a simple calendar. And simple is the name of the game here. This device was designed for dementia patients and makes it easy for people who are easily confused to know, at a glance, the time and date. What's more, it reminds its user up to 5 times a day to take their medicine, in less than 15 minutes. I unboxed, set up and programmed 2 sample reminders, which is done via physical buttons on the back of the device, not via touchscreen or app. I found programming the reminders to be easy. However, the setup process was by trial and error, and I reviewed the instructions multiple times. Were the functions here not ultimately all very basic, I'd call the setup actually pretty confusing. Anyone not tech-savvy may need some extra help during setup. If you're looking for a digital calendar that can log events, appointments, and birthdays, this American Lifetime clock can't accomplish these tasks. If you want to make sure someone you care about always knows the day and time and will be reminded to take medications in the simplest language possible, then this device is about the best digital calendar you could buy. So which of these 5 champions will be your command center if you're ready to end the chaos? I've made it simple. All the links to purchase today's winners, including my exclusive discount codes, are waiting for you in the description below. Check them out and transform your productivity. If this deep dive saved you hours of research and potentially hundreds of dollars, pay it back by smashing that like button. It helps this guide reach others drowning in options. Share this with your most disorganized friend. They'll thank you later. And subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're hacking the number 1 calendar on this list to do something its creators never intended. You won't want to miss it. Until then, get organized.